Behind every successful student stands a teacher whose dedication, patience, and love for learning shape young minds. Teachers are quite the foundation of countless success stories. Their influence does not end in classroom. It lives in values, dreams, and accomplishments of every student they have touched.
Good day, everyone. Welcome to our short but meaningful interview titled The Calling Within by Beatrice. I am Maria Ellen Toledo.
I am Christine Angel Maymani.
And I am Liza Nicole B. Esquadro.
I am Sherry Juliarin.
I am Raya Miranda.
Today, we'll be talking to a very special person, an inspiring educator who has dedicated her life by shaping young minds and hearts. Let us all welcome Mrs. Marie.
Good afternoon. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
So please introduce yourself, ma'am.
My name is Ana Marie Carrion Marie from Mantalongon Elementary School.
To start the interview, ma'am, let us ask you a question. Can you tell us about your life as a student and what kind of learner were you back then?
As a student, when I was in elementary, I am an honor pupil. I am very excited to go to school every day, even if pobre kaya akong ginikanan. And when I reached in high school, I went to Santa Ana Academy. Got to private because magbaboy si mama. And then, kada anak, mauna ipalit niya books and uniforms. That is why I went there. Then, in my high school days, I was not an honor student, but indeed, I was still one of the high-ranking officers also in our school government because I am active in all activities in school except mathematics activities.
As everyone can relate to that, ma'am. You're such a productive learner back then. So, who or what inspired you the most during that years?
Our situation, our family situation inspires me to go to school because I want my family to have a good kanang status gani kay pobre jud kaayo din. I believe na ang education gyud makatabang kay di man ka makatrabaho tarong ug wa kay grado.
Okay.
Di ba?
That is
You
very
cannot have
true,
any-
ma'am.
in our country, if you are very hardworking, you can earn a lot, but different yun kung naa kay profession.
Yes.
So, aside from that inspired ma'am, so did you encounter any feedback? It's either negative or positive during your journey as that student?
Feedback as a student, yes. I have also negative, but I was inspired by the positive feedback from my classmates. Although, bisan gani pag high school, buslot kay akong uniform. Nasulti ba nila ko? Akong pag fourth year na ko, wala nilang ko ni palit kay magtipid man ta. Nung gibuslot diri yung ipatahian na lang. Then akong sapatos magawas ako. Kumagka. Pero wala ra ko nauwaw kay kaniadto sa okay ra. Karon murag mang mga tao no magsulog og pati na sapatos uniform. Pero kaniadto okay ra kay tungod sa imuhag yung paningkamot ba nga since I am the kaning kamagwangan gani nya daghan sad may igsuon. Nya si Papa driver. Pero nagi kwartang driver, gina may lang sensiyo ba. Kapay school lagi yun, pero sa college nag-isod na si Papa. Otong nag-working student ko.
Okay,
Ma'am,
so
so how did you overcome those struggles while you were studying?
Victim man sa kog bullies. Victim sa kog bully pag college o high school sa pero wala na ko ipamina. Because gusto jud ko mag-eskwela ba kay o may lain gyud tang ikapagpasigarbo mahuman kita sa pag-eskwela.
ang degree.
So I can see that you're very strong. You have a strong personality in yourself. You have to do the things with a purpose, right? So yes, I love that, and you are an idealistic person.
Ako dili kaayo. Dili kaayo ko idealistic kay okay ra ko basta lang sakto lang ba dili ra kay jud kanang idealistic gud kanang gusto jud ka perfect
Perfection.
tanan. Ako dili ra jud kay ko ana. Even sa akong mga estudyante di kay ko nangita og perfection nga puro gyud nindot. Kung ano na gyud ako ang ability sa bata, di sad nako is
Perseverance.
makuan gyud siya. Kana
commitment.
noon naa jud ko inana kay og teacher ka dili jud ka agwanta og kay mga values na inana. Then ako sa positive thinker gyud ko. Bahala nag sa positive thinker ko even mga estudyante na kung maglisod. Positive ra gyud mo gyud pinaka para nako mo pinaka best nga kanang behavior na kinahanglan sa tao.
A teacher must possess,
Yes.
especially for a teacher, ma'am, right?
Yes, ang nasang teacher kay kinahanglan daghan sa siya abilidad.
Flexible.
Yes, and patience.
So with all those challenges now when you were still a student, ma'am, did you ever imagine yourself becoming a teacher?
Imagine jud kung I will become a teacher. Ang una lang sa jud nako gusto ko mag-doktor. Kay gusto ko manambal. Ko nga pwede ba ma-eskwela, pwede ba ma-doktor wa eskwela? Yun pwede. Pero gusto ko mag-doktor gyud hanto ron, mag-doktor ko, doctor of education.
Did you ever come to a part wherein after experiencing those situation, have you ever come up of like giving up into
No,
teaching?
I did not.
Wow.
I did not think of giving up. Bisan lisod. One time maglakaw ko maghilak. Hilak sa maghilak
It's okay, ma'am.
50 ra yatag ni mama nako. Ni ato kog syudad. Ato ko lungsod, ato ko sa pang-igagaw, ang help ko dito paninda. Tagaan mi gas. So kung 150 dili na mahurot. Para lang plate kay ang plate sa 20 pesos. Unya dili ko mag-snacks.
Wow.
Snacks ako bernis.
Sacrifice.
Sacrifice gyud ka ng sudan ng mga noodles ng estudyante ka college noodles so ito kornay magbalik-balik. So, but then I wala jud ko ni give up. Think positive man gyud ko bisag ang saon pa. Bisag dagang problema sa kwarta. Usahay ka nang when I was a working student, guli na ko. Naglutod ang plato dagan kay hugasan. Ako di ko mag-ilis. Dito sa kong trabaho then kahapon na mga 10 o'clock na ako mag-study. Dito ko late na yun matog. Kaya parang yung kauman. Pilar may 4 years. Kung if you have your job na, you can do everything.
That's true.
Eskwela dyan mong tumal. Pato mo stocks. Kanairan ako. Taas kay paid ang teacher sa gawas. Pero kung experience mo direct. So, you have to graduate yun with high marks. Or pass or something. Kapag mo ako board. Next.
So, did you realize that being a teacher is your calling?
At first, yes. Kaya when wala pa gani ko nag-graduate before I went to college, I teach the kanang daycare for 2 years. Then I prayed nga when ako mag-daycare, maestra man ka jud ko. Pila may sweldo sa daycare kay 50 pesos lang.
A
So,
day?
a month.
A month? Ah,
600 ang month. Lapas sa guwait sa kuan. Maura na, ihatag sa barangay din. Ko ay kay ba man kumukudlo nga hindi ko kumiskwela. So one time I decided to go to school. At that time I was an SK chairman so ma-free jud ko og eskwela. So I went to college in kanang CTU ninyo. Kami na ako dito sa CSST College of Agriculture. Dito ko ni graduate. Pag close dito nabalhin diha. Mora pareha ra tag eskwelahan.
So now, ma'am, that you'd enter the teaching profession, how did your passion for teaching grow over time?
I really love teaching. My passion na improve pa gyud siya kay difficult man kayo magmaestra labi ng bag-o pa ka. Kay you will have a lot of children with different skills, different behaviors. Nowadays, bisod baya jud na teacher pero kamo mga new generation man mo maka-adapt ra mo sa ilang behavior. Whereas kami nga 50 years old na on 25 years in service, na nagyapon ang iyang passion mao nang kumbati pag me kay love of teaching. Every day man gyud kanang mata ko sayo. Nauna ko eskwela ta gyud.
So you're very committed to teaching, ma'am, right?
Mura.
Okay,
Mura
so can we ask how many years have you been serving DepEd?
Kato akong gingon ganya 25 years na ko
Ah,
since
25 years,
2000.
wow.
2000 nasud na ko sa DepEd nga regular diretso. Pag 1999 na ko sa private school. I am teaching grade 4 and nursery. Grade 4 and nursery for 1 year. Then ibalin ko diri sa Cagay for 1 year also. Wala pa na regular. Then after that, after 1 year na regular na ko. 2000, year 2000.
Okay. So lastly, looking back, what message would you give to your younger self, the student who once dreamed and is now living her calling as a teacher?
Always try your best, do your responsibilities, and never give up.
Yes.
Never give up. Do you have a dream? Nagmaestra man gyud mo. Padung na lang gyud mo maestra, ano gyud mo balhin. Basin
take the
ganahan
path.
mo nga mo ato sa Department of sa kana ba kanan din ha sa Bureau of Fire. Dagko nagsweldo marag maestra niya. Yay pa jud kaayo. Kay sunog ra ba yay? Sunog ra atangan magsunog day kada adlaw. Whereas sa teaching,
Every
grabe
day
jud kaayo.
is struggle.
Kinahanglan. Wala jud kay passion sa pag-teach.
Yes.
Kung give up ka, di ka abot kay makabuwan. Namoy dagang madunggan ron man ani. Pero manong musod magyud mo kay pamong lisod. Because you want to help the Filipino people. Ako gyud mao nang help Filipino people oy kay walay teacher, walay nurse, there is no doctors, wala
There's no
tanan.
other professions.
The teaching profession is very great for me. Ako dyan na kayo. Wala dyan makakaon. Pero kung magpaubos-ubos sa kag-teacher, teacher na sad ka nga, o pa-promote kag teacher to, dili rasad ka, kay nakontento ra ka, ana. Dili sad mo makontento kung naana mo diha.
Yeah.
You work hard yun. Aron yun ma. Ako biyag sweldo maestra. Yes, ako sweldo. Ato mo tindahan. Pila may sweldo dito kung ato mo sa isano. Undang mo. Kung mag-teaching profession mo, once na mo sa DepEd, libre na ang inyong pagkatiguang. Hindi na mo sweldo o mo retire mo. Kana,
Insured.
insured yun kaayo labi na sa public. Okay, mo retire ko ba? Ako mo 60 ko, mo retire ko na ko sweldo. Makigdahigda ko sa amo. So inanang maestra din makita sa nimo nga ang imong estudyante usab karon malipay ko magtan-aw. Kauban ako estudyante, mga anak nila, mga estudyante na ko nga mo kurso gyud ba niya makahuman. Nindot kay attend sa ilang graduation. Kung pa man sa ko gipa-attend og estudyante ni graduate sukat. Kalimot nagway sa grade 4 teacher. Rag si Kuan Pulin, mag-imbitar na ako. Ako'y tigtaod sa Angel May.
Adto jud tate.
Bala. Taod ko glay. Ito kay mao nay amo ang murag kan ba? Fulfilling nga makita mo nga mo graduate.
Proud.
Proud.
Mga proud yun ninyo anak mo. Hindi lang ko gusto mo ato sa prisuhan. Yung ako estudyante ako yung ay ko pa to ano sa prisuhan ha. Okay. Dili na successful ang teacher. Naman kayo may tabo, tigit na makwa. Okay, next.
Okay, so thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing your life and your inspiring story with us. So your journey truly reminds us that teaching isn't just a profession, but it is a calling within the heart. So thank you so much, ma'am, for your time.
Thank you so much.
And we really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Many teachers here in the Philippines choose to remain in their profession because they genuinely love what they do despite the challenges they face. According to Simeo Inotech, they found that about 68% of teachers stay mainly because of intrinsic motivation, such joy of helping students to learn, serving their communities, and viewing teaching as a truly calling rather than just a job.
salaries and heavy workloads persist, many educators continue to teach out of passion, purpose, and commitment to their students.
In a world of uncertainties and challenges, she stands as a beacon of purpose. Her love for teaching shining brighter than every trial that comes her way. Though the path has not always been easy, her passion never wavered. Instead, each struggle became a lesson, and each obstacle became a step toward growth. Proving that a teacher's strength relied on her unwavering love. That's what we call as calling.